In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Undertale on WASD. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to convert the arrow keys controls to WASD controls in Undertale. Now, while it is possible for you to do this, you will need an external program. Inside of the game, it's impossible to go into some form of settings and change the controls in there. So, like I said before, you will have to use an external tool to get this done. The external tool is going to be AutoHotkey. This tool will allow you to set up scripts, so essentially it is going to grab the arrow key and translate it into another input. So for example, if you press the right arrow key, it is going to be converted into D, or rather, when you press D, it is going to be read as the arrow key, which means that you will be able to move in-game. So to use these AutoHotkey scripts, first download the tool itself. So go to autohotkey.com, click on download, and run the installer. It is very simple to install. Now, once it is installed on your PC and you open it up, you will see this screen, AutoHotkey. Now, choose the option to create a new script, and follow the instructions here. Give it any name that you want, and then choose the location where this will be saved. You can save it into your desktop, and better yet, you can also just right-click the desktop and choose the option to create a new AutoHotkey script. Make sure that you make it empty, and then choose Edit. Now, once you have the file located, you will need to open this with Notepad, so right-click it and then Open with Notepad. You can also open Notepad itself and drag the file inside, it doesn't matter. Once you open it with Notepad, this is the script that you will have to type. So, W is going to become up, A is going to become left, S is going to become down, and D is going to become right. Make sure that you type out all of the characters in between. So I'm going to remove everything just so you can pause the video and see. And this command will only be used when Undertale is selected as the active window. So if I were to press any of the buttons here, the script will not activate, but if I have Undertale open, then WASD will be used to replace the arrow keys. And as long as you are running this script, you are good to go. If you see a message like this asking you to install AutoHotkey V1, then just choose yes, and once the script is running on the background, you will be able to use the WASD keys instead of the arrow keys to move in Undertale. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Undertale on WASD. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.